Hi, I'm Barbie.
Hi, I'm Stacy. Hi, I'm Kylie.
Hello everyone. We're gonna show you our fabulous Barbie dolls. Now let's get started to this. This is our couch, and this is Kylie and Stacy. Okay, this is a drawer. This is a drawer, books, and a fire. And this a mirror. Okay. Okay, this is a TV, a picture of Hello Kitty of remembrance. This is a drawer.
We have a laptop.
We have a laptop. We have a bag,
And
hair dryer,
perfume.
and perfume.
We have a BS.
We have a next picture of Hello Kitty and a construction worker hat.
Look, may ganyan ka. Saan mo nakita yan?
And this is an electric fan. And this is a cell phone
Kylie.
from Kylie. And this is Stacy and Barbie's cell phone. Okay. This is the hair clips. And this is a mirror. And then
This is a
when you
drink.
close, you have a Hello Kitty picture. We are gonna go in kitchen. This is a stove. And this. And this is a table, plates, this, and this. A tea.
And
And this is
books.
and this in a fire. I'm gonna show you our shoes. Then we're gonna go to the bedroom. Okay. This is my Arisijan Prince. And this is my bedroom and Stacy and Kylie bedroom. Okay, this is a TV. This is a makeup table, and this is our clothes, and this is them. We have a garage. This is the garage. Okay.
I see fashioning.
Bye! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and leave a comment. Thanks!
Thanks.
Dito na kayo sa gilid ko. Sa gilid ko. Bye!
Bye. Sabihin nga natin si Nicole. Nicole, pwede natin panoorin.
The Barbie doll house is made of rubber. Okay, bye!